As your design changes, you'll no doubt have to erase the objects that are no longer necessary. In this lesson, we'll look at some ways to remove unwanted geometry from a drawing. On my screen, I have some geometry that represents a chest of drawers. Let's make some changes to this design that requires the deletion of some geometry. I'll start by converting this from a 6-drawer cabinet to a 3-drawer cabinet. One way to delete unwanted entities is by selecting them first. I'm going to select this dividing geometry down the middle. I will also select the drawer geometry on the right side. To remove these, I'll press the delete key on my keyboard. This workflow is similar to how the delete key is used in most other Windows-based applications. To finish the drawing, I'm going to launch the extend command. I'll select the inside edge of the cabinet as my boundary edge, and I'll press enter. I will then create a crossing window to select the drawer geometry and project that over to meet the boundary edge. When I'm finished, I'll press enter. In addition to using the delete key, AutoCAD also has a dedicated erase command. Let's make another change to this geometry, such that we can look at how the erase tool works. This time I'll change this from a 3-drawer cabinet to a 2-drawer cabinet. To do that, I'll launch the move command, and I'll select the geometry at the top of the cabinet and press enter. I'd like to pick this up from the top of the top drawer, and I'll place this to the bottom of the 2nd drawer down. I will then zoom in. I'll launch the trim command and I'll grab the bottom edge of the top. This represents my cutting edge. Then I'll press enter. I will then create a crossing window to select these vertical lines and trim them off. When I'm finished, I'll press enter. Now I can simply erase a geometry I no longer need. To do that, I'll move up to the Modify panel and launch the Erase command. I will then make a window selection to grab the geometry I'd like to erase, and I'll press enter. When I'm finished, I'll zoom out and center the geometry on screen. It's nice to know that when it comes to erasing entities, not only does AutoCAD have a dedicated erase tool, it also allows us to delete entities using the same workflow accepted by most other applications.